Welcome to my channel. My name is Samira. Feel free to subscribe, give this video more watch time, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified. You'll be the first to see my tutorials. This is my very first channel review. The dresses that I made in 2024, the tutorial dresses that I made. Please sit back and enjoy it. This dress is very beautiful. It was made from a floral fabric. It has ruffle at the bottom and a tie at the back, and is armless, but I have a skin net that I wore inside it because I don't want my body to expose, especially my hands. I don't want it to expose. It's a lovely dress. Whenever I wear this dress, people will be like, are you the one that made it? I will be like, yes, I'm the one that made it. I even have the tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check now. My friends and my neighbors, I always encourage them to check my tutorials on my YouTube channel, and even my loved ones also. So I have this one that has deep V-neck shape. I really liked it. This dress with belt sleeve on it is very free to wear out, very simple also, and it's trendy here in Nigeria and other parts of Africa country like Ghana, Tanzania, Cameroon, Congo, Algeria, Morocco, Egypt. This dress is trending everywhere, and if you have not seen the tutorial, you can check it now on my YouTube channel because I have the full tutorial there for you to watch and learn how to cut it. Oh, 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 this is what I called elegant. It's a cow neck dress I made without using pattern paper to cut it out, and it came out so lovely, classic, and the color is on point, very beautiful. You can see it on my body. See, just check it on my body. You can see how beautiful it is. Just look at the neck, how the neck is flowing. It's flowing. It's flowing. I so much love it. And the fabric is Duchess material, and the color is on point. Very beautiful. And the good thing about this tutorial is very simple to learn how to cut it by yourself. Like I said, I never used pattern paper to cut it out, and this is my first cow neck tutorial on my channel, and it came out lovely. I so much love this dress. I love it. I love it to the moon. Very beautiful. And one good thing about this dress is that you can wear it out to any occasion of your choice. It's very beautiful. And like I said, I never used pattern paper to cut it out. I cut it out directly on my fabric. So after watching this particular tutorial on my channel, you'll be able to cut it on your own. You have that confidence to cut your fabric, your cow neck, with that pride. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm very happy. I'm so excited that the style came out very beautiful on my body. It's not easy, very beautiful, and you know the person that is wearing it, how elegant she is, very classic. And like I said, I never use pattern paper to cut it. I cut it on my own. I'm so super excited how this dress came out. Very beautiful dress that I made by myself. Okay? And I also have the full tutorial on my YouTube channel, Samirazi Fashion YouTube channel. Alright, so you can check it now. Samirazi Fashion YouTube channel. I pray for God's favor this month of January to see myself on top. I'm emotional now. Actually cut and sew this tie and off shoulder dress with puff sleeve and gathers at the down, and it has front slits. This material is beautiful. This dress is given simple, neat, and it brought out the hot babe in me. Don't come for me. Going and down is giving You can see how beautiful it is on my body. Please, if you have not watched these tutorials on my channel, what are you waiting for? You can check them out now. Please watch it to the end and give it more watch time. Like, comment and subscribe. Kindly turn on your notification bell to get notified to see my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my review, guys. Some of the dresses I made in 2024. I will see you in my next one. Okay, and guys, you can support this channel. Support your own girl Samira Z Fashion YouTube channel by watching all my tutorials down to the end so that this channel can grow, guys. Let's do it together, guys. Merci beaucoup. I hope I'm right, guys.